Hello, everyone. And no, aliens haven't sent us any signals. There were no messages from some ancient civilization deep in space. If that's enough for you, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. But, but I say because there is an unexplained anomaly shaking up the world of astronomy. So what exactly happened? Just a few days ago, a paper was published in Nature, and the astronomy community was thrown into a frenzy because we've encountered something we've never seen before. Something strange. We've been receiving unusual signals from deep space, and we still don't know what's causing them. It all started back in 2022. One of the largest radio telescopes on Earth, located in Australia and known as ASKAP, the Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder, spotted something odd. Around 15,000 light-years away, in the constellation of Scutum, ASKAP detected a strange celestial object. It was named ASKAP J1832-0911. For simplicity, I'll just call it 0911 throughout this video. Repeating that long code every time would be a pain. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's continue. Since its discovery, 9/11 has been under observation. It's classified as an LPT, a long-period transient. What does that mean? It means this object emits radio signals toward Earth at regular intervals. And we've known about such objects for years. They're not new. According to ASKAP's research, this object sends out a radio signal every 44 minutes, and each signal lasts about 2 minutes. But there was something strange about the nature and structure of these signals. That's when NASA stepped in. NASA started monitoring 9/11 using the Chandra X-ray Observatory, and they noticed something bizarre. To double-check, they also scanned the area with the Spitzer Space Telescope and MCAT. The results were clear. 9/11 was emitting signals every 44 minutes, each lasting about 2 minutes. But here's the twist. Those signals weren't just radio waves. 9/11 was also emitting X-rays. That's the strange part. This was the first time we had encountered an object that behaved like this. Something sending both radio and X-ray signals at such regular intervals. Over the past 3 years, scientists have been trying to figure out what's going on, and so far no one has found a solid explanation. The paper just came out, and now astronomers around the world are debating what 9/11 could actually be. Why would a single cosmic object emit both radio signals and X-rays in such a coordinated way? As far as we know, no known astronomical object does that. Naturally, this caught the attention not only of professional astronomers, but also of amateur enthusiasts, especially those fascinated by the idea of extraterrestrial life. Some even believe it's a cosmic lighthouse, a beacon placed intentionally by an alien civilization. But the scientific community doesn't agree. So what could 911 actually be? As usual, I'll go through the possibilities from the most far-fetched to the most logical. Theory 1. A cosmic beacon. Alien origin. Some think these signals come from an artificial source. Perhaps a message from an ancient alien civilization. The signals are so powerful that they can be detected across vast portions of the Milky Way. Maybe someone put it there on purpose. Maybe they're saying, "We're here. Come say hi." Or, "You're not alone." Or worse, maybe it's a trap, like an anglerfish luring in prey. It's a fascinating idea, but scientists have analyzed the signals thoroughly, and they've found nothing suggesting intelligence. Yes, the signals are regular, every 44 minutes, lasting 2 minutes, but we've seen that kind of pattern before in other cosmic phenomena. Pulsars, magnetars, neutron stars, they can all emit regular bursts of radiation. Plus, the signals contain no recognizable code. So unless the aliens are using a kind of complexity we can't even detect, this looks like simple blinking, nothing more. That's why we can probably rule out aliens with 99.9% certainty. Theory 2, a new type of magnetar. This one's far more reasonable. 911 could be a brand new type of magnetar. For those unfamiliar, magnetars are a type of neutron star, an incredibly dense stellar remnant that forms when massive stars die in supernova explosions. Magnetars are known for their intense magnetic fields and for emitting powerful bursts of energy, including X-rays. Recent research suggests they often form in binary or triple star systems and may siphon energy from nearby stars. That energy may then be released as periodic outbursts. So some astronomers think 0911 might be a magnetar behaving in a way we've never seen before. It sends both radio and X-ray bursts at regular intervals, something no other magnetar has done, at least not like this. But still, this explanation fits within the realm of known astrophysics. Theory 3, a unique binary star system. According to another theory, 0911 is part of a binary system, and one of the stars might be a white dwarf, but not like any white dwarf we've seen before. It might have totally different physical properties, producing a unique environment that gives rise to the strange emissions we're observing. So if we leave out the alien theory, here's what scientists believe. We may have stumbled upon a new physical reality, something that fits within the laws of the cosmos, but that we simply hadn't observed until now. Whether it's a new type of magnetar or a new kind of binary star system, it's something unprecedented. So what do you think? Is 0911 an alien beacon, a new magnetar, or a never-before-seen stellar system? Personally, I don't think this has anything to do with aliens. And yes, I know you get mad when I say that, but hey, that's who I am. I like to keep things grounded. If I had to bet, I'd put my money on a new type of magnetar. Maybe it's even a system with two magnetars constantly interacting and stealing energy from one another. That could explain the odd emissions we're seeing. Whatever the truth is, one thing's clear. We've discovered a new cosmic phenomenon, and that brings us one step closer to understanding the universe. And honestly, I think that's more exciting than aliens. But okay, fine. Let's just pretend this is all alien-related. If that were true and someone put a beacon out there to broadcast across the galaxy, remember this. The signals we're receiving today left 15,000 years ago. That's when humanity was still living in small tribes. Göbekli Tepe hadn't even been built yet. So if someone sent that message, do you really think they're still there waiting? Anyway, believe whatever you want. I'll keep following this story, and if any new information comes up, I'll share it right here, or on my Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. Make sure to follow me there too. That's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you'll find plenty more like this on my channel. See you in the next one, and until then, take care, and may your skies be free of blue screens. Goodbye.